Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding some Ethereum and want to cash it out into good old USD, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to transfer Ethereum to USD in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process has gotten even smoother, but we'll keep it simple and straightforward for you. First things first, you need a reliable crypto exchange. By 2025, platforms like Coinbase, Binance, or the new kid on the block, Quantum Exchange, are your best bets. These have enhanced security features and user-friendly interfaces. Start by creating an account if you haven't already. Remember, verification is key. Most exchanges require ID confirmation to comply with regulations, so upload your documents and get verified. This might take a day or two, but it's worth it for smooth transactions. Once you're set up, the next step is to deposit your Ethereum. If your ETH is in a wallet like MetaMask or Ledger, connected to the exchange, just follow the deposit instructions, paste your wallet address, and transfer your ETH over. Keep an eye on network fees. In 2025, with Ethereum 3.0 upgrades, fees are lower, but they can still add up. Now, for the main event, selling your ETH. Head to the trade section, select Ethereum, and choose to sell for USD. Set your sell order, maybe at market price for instant conversion or limit for a specific rate. Once the sale goes through, your USD will appear in your exchange wallet. Finally, withdraw that USD to your bank account. Link your bank details in the exchange's settings, initiate the withdrawal, and confirm. It usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Pro tip: always enable two-factor authentication and use hardware wallets for extra security in this fast-paced 2025 crypto landscape. And there you have it, your Ethereum turned into USD, ready to spend or save. If you follow these steps, you'll avoid common pitfalls. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.